Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I have no makeup on and I look like I've been in bed for the last 5 days because I have been. So in order to combat going insane because of coronation, we're gonna do my makeup today. We're gonna do my makeup, we're gonna dress up, we're gonna look good. We're gonna look so good. Maybe, hopefully. I saw a video that my girl Allison made, so I'm totally stealing this from her, but I'm gonna link her channel in the description below. So basically she did a like how to ABG, and I'm like, ooh, me, because I'm a real life catfish. I will make a how to ABG video. ABG stands for Asian baby girl. So let's get started. Now that I am egg, I lost my actual moisturizer, so I'm using this little sample that I have from Target. It's the Shea Moisture Color Correcting Moisturizer. I don't really use it, but you know, it'll have to do. Well, I look less red, I think. That's cool. I'm going to take my setting powder. It's the Milk Makeup Translucent Powder. I'm just gonna take some on my brush, put some on. I like to use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting. It's just my favorite one. Travel sized because a girl can't afford like an actual sized one. So I'm actually gonna go on with the Coverproof Foundation. I have that in N20 Light. I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime highlight in medium. I don't look at these things before. I'm just gonna go in under my eyes. Clown Nation. I'm gonna take my other beauty blender and just, after I bake, again with the Milk Translucent Powder, with some concealers. Right now the one that I've been using is the Jane Iredale. Yeah, is the Jane Iredale one. I'm going to use my concealer brush to go in on it. So my hand really is my palette. I'm now going to go in with my eyebrow stuff. My brows are really speaking today. They're very loud, but that's okay. So now that I've baked, I'm just gonna brush that all off. Now that I've done all of that, I'm gonna take the Morphe palette, just because I feel like it gives me a more natural look when I'm not trying to glam up. Not too much, so. So for my contour, I used Debutante and Blogger. I just kind of did a little mix of that. I take a YoungBlood blush. It's tangier with that one, just because it's a natural. For my nose highlight, I used Beam. And I think for my cheek highlight, I'm gonna use Venus. You know what, we're gonna go with the Urban Decay Naked palette, just because we're gonna go kind of natural. I'm gonna start out with Naked, and I'm just gonna put that where I want my fake crease to be, because I have to fake a crease. So I just put it right on that brow bone, like that. I just used Naked to like kind of fake my crease. I'm gonna go halfway in, and then I'm going to use, I think, Hustle. Yeah, I'm gonna take Hustle, and I'm gonna go down below here just to add kind of like it's not a smoky eye. I've done a smoky eye, but this is not a smoky eye. And I'm just gonna kind of pack it in down here and let it do its thing. So I'm going to take Sin. Actually, you know, I'm gonna take Sidecar. So I'm gonna go for a darker, not super dark, but a dark enough look. And I'm just gonna put that all over the base of my lid and like go over things that I did, just kind of blending it out. But it looks like I literally just put it over one. That's okay. What works for me might not work for you, and that's okay, because I am in no way like a certified makeup artist. Like, I don't claim my makeup artistry as my thing. This is just how I do my makeup, and it kind of works. I'm also gonna go in now. I'm gonna go in with Sin. I'm just gonna put that here in the corner, just to add a little highlight. I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner. I like the Jane Iredale liquid eyeliner in black. Keep it simple. As long as my wing matches, and you know, they're not perfect at all, but they match more or less. Cool. So now that I have my eyeliner done, I'm actually, you can't even see my eyelashes, and like, I don't know how else to, you can't even see them. So these are my BBeauty Lashes. This is my favorite lash company. Like, I almost only exclusively use BBeauty. This is so fetch. So it's the classic style. I also have this pair, and I think this one's Queen. This is a thicker lash for a more dramatic look. These ones are actually longer, but I like that they look more natural almost. It's just for an everyday look, because I will wear these like on it. If I do my makeup, these are the lashes I'm gonna wear. I don't care how diva they look. Their lashes give me life. So I'm going to take my BBeauty lashes, and I already cut and trimmed them to size because they're reusable, and I love them. I will definitely be leaving the link to these in my description because they're so worth it. I like using the Class eyelash adhesive. It's latex free, and it's not one of those squeezy tubes, so I can just brush this on. I'm just gonna let these air out for a little bit. I get asked how I put my lashes on, and as you can see, I just kind of stick them on. Now for lips, if I'm doing a simple ABG look and I'm just going out for the day, I'm going to use my Buxom Lip Gloss in Dominique because I love the way they feel. And it's sparkly. It's clear, but it's sparkly. I just smack this off of that. I'm just gonna set. And this is the look. It's probably gonna look better in the sun, but I'm gonna go through my hair again and just brush it. I'm literally just gonna brush it out. So this is my basic ABG look, and your true basic ABG look is not complete unless you're carrying a Gucci or a Louis bag. I don't make the rules, guys. That's just your typical stereotype. So that's my ABG look. Your typical ABG fit is gonna be like a crop, probably a solid color crop, high-waisted, either shorts or jeans. They're gonna be ripped. They're gonna be ripped. That's just how it's gonna be, because that's your ABG fit. You can see, even though my process was kind of whack, it turned out, if I may say, I think it turned out pretty dang good. So, thank you for watching me struggle to be an ABG. Loves, hearts. I just broke that heart. The heart back together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys next time.